Good morning. Today's October 27th, and the market just opened. It's Thursday, and I was entering along because I saw on the large charts there is a lot of power to the upside. Even though they could do a little retracement, I just still think that they're going to bounce from here and continue more up, because I haven't seen the larger time frames being so stretched like this morning. Everything is up, including 4K, 8K, 20K, 50K, even the daily is stretched up. So let's just see how the market will react. We broke this morning. We came to an area that is close to the way above the 50 retracement from the very top, and I think they're aiming for the 61 retracement on the large chart. So if we go and take a look at the this one, for example, from the very top, they broke the 50, the yellow line. They're coming to the 60, which is, let's say, 758 or somewhere there, all the way from 860, 857 area. So let's see. Actually, the smaller MACDs are starting to roll down right now, like looking for a retracement. So I should have taken one out here if I wasn't talking so much. This is the previous pivot. $144 is on the rail down, and this is one tick below the previous. Okay, they took me out. No, small charts are coming down to for another bounce. Let's see. I can pause. I entered long again at this price. So small charts are exhausted, but the big ones are leading. This time 987 is coming to the lower Bollinger Band. If it doesn't grab the real, it will use it as a bull flag and bounce higher. Okay, they continue down a little bit. Hi, I am looking at 50K. The MACD is stretched up, even though the smaller ones like 8 and 20K lost some power throughout the early morning. This one was still up and gave me the vision that we're going up no matter what to the new highs, which is 758 somewhere there, which is a 61 retracement all the way up from the 800 area. So 440 is also looking great. Let me see. The area that right now is at 756. I was expecting it to go to 758 almost. Even though it went up so strongly that it might need a little retracement now. Let's see how these bars will do. If they will push higher, then it's going higher. This bar is still pushing. It's a beautiful beautiful push starting from here. And you see I entered after this sideways action, I entered long after the breakout. So I close my position. They might push another 1.5 or so, but it might go sideways first before it goes up. And I think it was a beautiful run. There you go. It's moving higher. This had a full strength. So delete this. In the morning I went long here because I saw the charts excited and I expected earlier morning to go to this area. So I have looked for longs at these pullbacks, and this pullback over here. I was trading about 4 contracts, and then I left the computer for like about an hour and a half because I was taking out of this long here. So I was still having gifts. I mean, I was still in the red zone. I wasn't here when this one occurred. And then here I wasn't sure if it's going to go up because there was a strong resistance. I tried to short here, but when I saw these bars rolling up, I closed it. I made a gift here and then I went long with the flow. So my long was somewhere here after the breakout, and right now it's going exactly to that 60%. It's beautiful. So I had the vision that everything will go up, but the market bars were so off the Keltner channel that I should have realized that early morning that they need some it's going to take some time for this push power to be released. They were like, the MACDs were so bloated up, they needed to release that power. And by the way, look at this pattern. Market goes up, comes to the 23. We don't need this line. Comes to the 23, test the 23. MACDs are pushing down and pushing down and pushing down. They're so strong, but the bars don't want to go with the MACDs. That means that MACDs are just going down for gas. And because it doesn't affect the bars, that means the bars have much more strength to go higher. So remember this picture, when the MACDs are trying to push this and the bars don't go with it, that means most likely we're going higher. And also that's a pattern you can notice on 144. Once we broke higher, because this is a shallow retracement, once we break above the high, we have a lot of power to the upside. So if we go from here, Actually, I should have held my trade because the first target is 762 area, the 61 extension. So I closed about 755, now it's 758. That's a lot of nuggets. And I just wanted to show you the vision on 440 to pay attention to MACDs like that. They're going down for gas, and very shallow retracement, MACDs going down will push the market higher. So that should be all for today, and thank you, Divine.